We need to do if someone is having some nose bleeding? Anyone? Should we look up or down? Hmm? What do you think? Should we advise the person to look up or down? Who says up? Who says down? Normally it's up, right? That is what our elderly says. Whenever you have a nose bleeding, go look up, okay? So that will stop. So do not do that, okay? So whenever there's a active bleeding or nose bleeding, advise the person to look down, right? And press the soft part here. For as little as 5 minutes, it will stop, alright? Because if you happen to advise the person to look up, the blood might go into his airway. And it might cause some bleeding, vomiting. Then the person might go in aspiration, alright? So do not advise the person to go look up. Rather, advise the person to look down and press the soft part here, okay? For as little as 5 minutes, it will stop, alright? Not unless the person is undergoing or having some medical problem, okay? So that's one of the reason there, okay?